In this video, I want to discuss and show you how to search for properties and start making a list. Now, what I want to show this to you before you go in and view a bunch of the property assessments that I do in this course, which is the bulk of the content, and it's the most important part, is because you want to see me go through these assessments and when I discuss each scale of permanence and how it all fits together, and it's all very important to view. But before you view that content, I just want to show you how I compile a list so you can almost do this in real time. As you're watching these videos, you can be doing this all the time. And if you want to find property, this is what you have to do. You just have to do it a lot. And so I'm going to show you guys. We're going to look for land in the U.S. in this area here. I've on Google Earth right now, if you're wondering what all this is, as I've red flagged some areas in the U.S. that I absolutely would not live because of significant climate risk, and so that I just wouldn't, and some geopolitical risk. So I wouldn't look for anything from L.A. all along the U.S. border to Mexico. Just too much crime, too much risk going on, not worth it. Also, it's a harsh climate to live in anyways, except down here. This is all hurricane areas. Those are the high-risk hurricane areas. I've red flagged those, and then I've red flagged Tornado Alley. And so we're going to look in this area here, and I've got Realtor.com open, and I've kind of got that area selected. And so what we're going to do here is I'm just going to go through and start. We're going to find some properties that we might want to look at further, and then if we want to look at them further, we'll locate them on the map and then save them, and then that will be it. And then we'll start compiling a list in Google Earth. So this is sort of the area. I don't want to be anywhere near Memphis, but this is, so my settings are, I've got max 600,000. I'm looking for a single family home on at least 15 acres. Those are our parameters right now. I don't have any specifications for beds and bath. I'm looking for the kind of property that we've been looking for and that you will see in all of the land assessments, looking for the same kind of property. So this kind of immediately catches my eye. This looks to be some nice land there. Let's just take a quick look at it without going on maps or anything, just looking at some photos. Missouri. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. See, a realtor can save you so much time if they just do a good job with the photos right out of the gate. They can really save you so much time. I like it. I like it. There's some good infrastructure here. Is that an indoor pool? That's one of those little indoor lap pools. Ha! Wow, this is a great, okay, this is 100%. Okay, so we're going to locate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 properties, and hopefully we can do this relatively quick. So this one here, this was our this was the one on top of the ridge, right? This one here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, properties view, perfect. Okay, so we got that one, and then let's put the link for it in there. So I'm using a lot of quick keys, Command C and paste and all that. So that's that place. So we're not going to do anything else except locate them. So let's just kind of bang through them, and then you can do a further analysis later, and that's what you'll see me do in the main property analysis.